Hi, welcome in this new video. We show aujourd'hui today how to integrate Bonita with Python code. As you know, Bonita is based on a Java platform, so how could you do some things to just integrate Python on Bonita? So let's just jump to a use case. I have to use a set of Excel files with just a batch number and value, very simple use case. And I also want to to use my already existing Python applications that will do very basic things. Read the Excel file, generate a CSV file, and of course use a plot library to just have a simple graph with sample result, average, mean, and count of user. All of this will be stored in a JPEG, a PNG image, and the objective is to use Bonita to display the result of this Excel parsing using a Python application into a process-based application. So let's go to now the studio. I have this very simple process that will just start with a document, which is a Excel file. It will be defined here as a document, like as an input data. This file will be read and stored in Bonita database. And then we also, in parallel, copy this environment, this file to the Python environment. And then we will call a specific connector that will be in charge of the execution. So this is a regular Bonita connector that will call scripting actions. And of course, we can configure all the informations and just execute a basic script. In this case, the script can be shell script, but it can be directly Python code. But in my case, I wanted also to use a Docker image of Python, including all the libs required by my application. That's why in my script, I'm running a specific Python folder and get all the results and store the output. Once this is finished, we just have an additional operation that will retrieve the image generated by the Python application and of course display as a output data in my process. So the last item is just a review to see the result. Okay, so it's quite simple. I have also a Docker container installed, and I prepared my specific environment with my scripting. This means that if I go back here, you can see that we have a build step using a Docker file and using Python code. Just define a working directory, copy the required libs from from my Python application, and then start my main CSV build. That's no more for this. So if we go back to the process, we can now start the process using the run button. And the first thing to start my process is just to fill my input file, which is an Excel file that we saw previously. I can now just submit. And what will happen after a few moments, yes, this task is available. And of course, we have two things here. We have the parsing of the Excel file and the result, which is the output of the Python script. And of course, the job is done. And of course, you can easily call other things, but that's the way. So using this very simple example, we saw how to integrate Bonita with Python, and hope it will help you, of course. Bye-bye.